Be ready. Start. Accordingly, we hereby admit the petition. Stop. A moratorium in terms of Section 14 of the IBC 2016 shall come into effect forthwith staying. Stop. Point A. The institution of suits or continuation of pending suits or proceedings against the corporate debtor, including execution of any judgment, decree, or order in any court of law, tribunal, arbitration, panel, or other authority. Stop. B. Transferring, encumbering, alienating, or disposing of by the corporate debt or any of its assets or any legal right or beneficial interest therein. Stop. C. Any action to foreclose, recover, or enforce any security interest created by the corporate debtor in respect of its property, including any action under the securitization and reconstruction of financial assets and enforcement of Security Interest Act 2002. Stop. D. The recovery of any property by an owner or lessor where such property is occupied by or in the possession of the corporate debtor. Stop. Further, second, the supply of essential goods or services to the corporate debtor as may be specified shall not be terminated or suspended or interrupted during moratorium period. Stop. Third, the provisions of subsection 1 shall not apply to such transactions as may be notified by the central government in consultation with any financial sector regulator. Stop. Fourth, the order of moratorium shall have effect from the date of such order till the completion of the corporate insolvency resolution process. Stop. Provided that where at any time during the corporate insolvency resolution process period, if the adjudicating authority approves the resolution plan under subsection 1 of section 31 or passes an order for liquidation of corporate debtor under section 33, the moratorium shall cease to have effect from the date of such approval or liquidation order as the case may be. Stop. Para. Since the operational creditor by filing additional affidavit has proposed the name of Mr. Mohammad Nazim Khan, insolvency professional having IBBI registration number IBBI /IPA 002 IPN 0076 2017-18 10207, duly empaneled with the IBBI as the IRP. Stop. Accordingly, he is appointed as IRP. Stop. He is directed to take such steps as are mandated under the code, more specifically under sections 15, 17, 18, 20 and 21, and shall file his report before the adjudicating authority. Stop. Para. The operational creditor is directed to deposit a sum of rupees 1 lakh to meet the immediate expenses of IRP. Stop. The same shall be fully accountable by the IRP and shall be reimbursed by the COC to the operational creditor to be recovered as CIR cost. Stop. Copies of the order be sent to both the parties as well as to the IRP. Stop. Over.